Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to be doing a 7-minute abs workout. This one, we're going to be doing 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off, 7 exercises in total. Okay, so make sure you get warmed up. While you're warming up, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any workouts or videos like this one. If you do enjoy it as well, hit that like button. Okay, once you've done that, let's get into today's workout.
Okay, so guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to start with, let's say, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. I'm explaining the next exercise in the 15 seconds, so keep your eye on the screen, okay? The first exercise we're going to start with is leg raises. So, we're going to have our shoulders just up off the floor. Our legs are going to stay together. They're going to come up as high as they can, and then we're going to drop them down towards the floor, okay? As we go through, I'll show you some variations, yeah? So we're going to start at 45 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, off we go. So, both legs together, all the way up. Now, a couple of variations you can do on this one. You can either let your feet stop at the bottom and go all the way up, or you can get just above the floor and then go up together, okay? So this one's going to be slightly harder, where you're leaving your feet hanging just off the floor. You can equally alternate in between. So if you want to do a couple where you touch the floor and then come up, that's fine. If your head starts to hurt, feel free just to put your hands behind your neck. Okay, good guys, keep going. We've got 5 seconds left. Main thing is keep your shoulders up. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, cool. Next one we're going to do is just your standard crunch. So, feet at 90 degrees, hands are going to go through your legs, your shoulders are going to come up off the floor, going to crunch up nice and high. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So, shoulders up, hands go through the body, yeah? Now with this, it's your shoulders that are coming up off the floor. It's not your head moving forwards like this, okay? Head stays still, shoulders come up. That's the main thing. Shoulders come up and away from the mat, okay? That's it, good. Shoulders come up, push the hands through. Equally, you're not reaching through like this with your hands. Only movement is coming from your core, and it's lifting your shoulders up, away from the floor. Good guys, there. 5 seconds to go. Good. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, cool. Next we're going to move on to Deadbug. We're going to start on our left hand side. So we bring our left knee up to 90 degrees, left hand up over our head, right leg out in front, right hand up to the sky. And we hold this position, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. So we just hold this position. Again, with this hand, if your neck does start to hurt, feel free to put it behind your head, okay? Variation on this one. If you're struggling, you're going to put your right leg down on the floor, okay? So you still keep your shoulders up, you still keep your core working. Keep this leg here at 90 degrees, left hand up over your head, but this foot just stays on the floor. Equally, if you want to try and challenge yourself, you can do 5 seconds off the floor, 5 seconds on the floor, okay? So you can alternate in between if you want to, alright? But this is the hardest version. I said you can keep your head up, that's great. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, cool. You probably guess what's coming up next. We're just going to do the same thing on the other side. So right leg 90 degrees, right hand straight up with your head, left hand up, left foot up off the floor. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, off we go. So again, just holding this position, no movement. Again, any pain in your neck, just put a hand behind your head. And again, you can always just leave this foot on the floor. Take it up off the floor for 5 seconds, put it down for 5 seconds. It's totally up to you. If you can hold it though, great. So good. Try and keep your whole body still, keep your core engaged the whole time. Try and press your back into the floor if you can. So good. 15 seconds to go. And just hold it. Woo. Good guys. There you go, do well. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good stuff. Okay, cool. Reverse crunches coming up next. So a bit like our leg raises. Our legs are going to come up. We're going to push our head up the sky. We're going to come down to our calves being parallel to the floor. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Off we go. So hips go up, come down to parallel, hips go up, yeah? Now if you're struggling with the hips going up, you can use your hands, rock back, little support on your hips, pushing yourself up to the sky, okay? So you can use your hands as a little bit of support. Again, if your neck starts hurting, plonk a hand behind. Equally, if you can, just keep your shoulders up off the floor. So this is the hardest version. Legs go up, 10 seconds. Good. Keep working, keep going, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, cool, we're going to finish with 2 planks. Okay, now the first one's going to be a plank toe tap. So we're going to be in our plank position, our foot's going to come out to the side, and we're going to tap on the floor. Okay, 3, 2, 1, off we go. So, we bring one foot out, we bring it back in, yeah? And we hold that plank position. Variation on this one, you can go up into a push-up plank position, holding your shoulders over your hands, okay? Still crunching your hips towards your shoulders and then tapping your toes. So if being on your elbows is too difficult, you can go up onto your hands, okay? That's it, good. So it's up to you which version you do. Completely up to you. Just take your time, try and keep your body as neutral as you can. Good, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, cool. Last one to finish off with, just your normal plank, okay? So keeping those hips crunching towards the shoulders, elbows planted on the floor, and you just hold it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and we hold it here, okay? So, you don't want to be too much like this, hips too low. Equally, you don't want to be right up here, but you do want to have your hips curling inward towards your shoulders. Again, if this one is too hard, hop yourself up in that push-up, hold that plank here. Again, keep trying to curl those hips under, alright? So, totally up to you, which one you want to do. This one's slightly harder, the other one's slightly easier. We're nearly there, guys. We've got 10 seconds to hold it for. 10 seconds. Keep it going, good. And 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, good guys. Shake it out, stretch it out. Oh, for an extra challenge, go back through that, try and do it again. If you want to make it harder, you can just add more working time on and decrease the rest time, okay? But good job guys. Go take a rest and see you in the next video.